The smartest chimp does what our toddlers can do. And there's no way you will explain to a chimp, I'll have dinner ready at 6:30, can you pick up some juice on the way home? The simplest human thoughts are inconceivable to a chimp. And their talents are about what our toddlers can do. So let's get back to this 1% smarter alien that we've discovered. What would we look like to them? Well, they would roll Stephen Hawking forward after combing the human species, and they'd say, this one is slightly smarter than the rest because he can do astrophysics calculations in his head like little Timmy over here, who just came home from preschool.
Do you think that we might just be a simulation of something else?
I wish I had a good argument against that, and I do not. Just start with a real universe. You say, I'm going to program a universe in your computer and give the life forms in there the belief that they have free will. Then those life forms create a universe within their computer, allowing their life forms to think they have free will. And it's computers all the way down. Now you close your eyes and throw a dart. Which of all of these universes are you most likely to hit? Because only one of them is real, and all the rest are simulations. Just the statistics of that tell us we are probably in a simulation. And further evidence for this is some brilliant alien in his parents' basement is programming us, and anytime tranquility descends upon the Earth, something comes in to ruin the whole thing. And I think they program that in just to keep them entertained. They'll throw in Brexit. They'll throw in wars. Just weird stuff just so that they can watch and be entertained while they eat popcorn. I was told once that anytime peace does break out, it's because they were called for dinner from their parents.
Do you?
You like crazy astronomical facts? I got one for you. The energy created in the center of the sun takes between 10 and 100 million years to get out of the sun. Upon exiting the sun, it then travels the 93 million miles to Earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So that was a long, hard-fought journey to reach us. Just saying. The sun, busy at work, keeping us warm and anybody else who uses sunlight, like all the other planets of the solar system. And aliens who are possibly looking out into the galaxy, wondering if around a star that we call the sun has a planet that might have life. You like crazy astronomical facts? If we put you anywhere other than certain selected places on Earth, you'd be dead within minutes. The universe is supremely hostile to biology. Even on Earth, if I dropped you butt naked in most random places, close your eyes and drop yourself on a place. Are you in the Sahara? Are you in the North Atlantic? Are you in the middle of a jungle? You'd be eaten, you would freeze, dehydrate. You're dead within minutes. Such is the case on any other planet in the solar system. But the planet that comes closest would be Mars. It takes you longer to die on Mars than on any other place. So Einstein asked this question: if you're in a car traveling near the speed of light and you put on your headlights, what would happen? Well, okay, you're made of matter, so you can't travel at the speed of light, but let's go just one notch less, 99.999999999%. Okay, you put on your headlights, you see no difference. It's like putting on your headlights if you were not going that fast. That's what relativity means. Your motion is just relative to anybody else's motion, and as far as you're concerned, you're standing still, and everything else is moving around you. So, it'll make no difference to you. You'll describe other things differently as they go by you, but as far as your headlights work, they'll just be just fine.